Hello, good morning children. How are you? I hope you have completed with your good morning rhyme, prayers, phonic drill, days of the week and months of the year. Do the revision of color of the month, that is black and white, and shape of the month, that is curve shape. Also do the revision of hero of the month, that is Aryabhatta. Let's revise few lines about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, known as the ancient genius, he was the great Indian mathematician and astronomer. He was born in Kusumapura, now known as Patna, in Bihar. He invented numeric value 0 in the subject of mathematics. He discovered the time period of rotation of Earth around Sun 1500 years ago. Motions of the planets in solar system. Children, also do the revision of community helper, that is astronaut. Let's revise few lines about astronaut. Astronauts are also called spacemen. They travel in spaceship and spacecraft to space. They are away for months and years from their home to study space and planets. They study science and astronomy to become scientists to travel into space. Astronauts have to undergo training and testing, physical body check to travel in space. They are scientists who travel and work in space above Earth. Children, we will also do the revision of theme of the month, that is space, solar system. Let's revise. Sun. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. Our solar system consists of 8 planets. All planets revolves around our home star, the sun. First planet, Mercury, the smallest, tiny and closest planet to the sun. There is no water present on this planet. It is the fastest planet. It takes 88 days to complete one round of sun. Second, Venus, known as the evening or morning star. It is the hottest planet. It takes 225 days to complete one round of sun. Third, Earth, where we live. This is the only place where life exists. Most of the Earth's surface, about 70%, is covered with water. It takes 365 days to complete one round of sun. Mars, fourth one, it is also known as red planet. It contains red soil and rocks. Mars is very cold and dry, but water exists in form of ice. It takes 687 days to complete one round of sun. Fifth one, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is as big as 1300 Earth can fill in it. It takes 12 years to complete one round of sun. Sixth one, Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet and is known for its Rings are made of dust and ice. It contains gases. It takes 29.5 years to complete one round of sun. 7. Uranus. Uranus is a blue planet not because of water but because of gases that make it appear blue. It is also called ice giant. It takes 84 years to go once around the sun. 8 and last one, Neptune. Neptune is the most far planet from the sun. It is also called ice giant and it takes 165 years for Neptune to go once around the sun. Children, also do the revision of national symbols, national emblem, national flag, India's flag, national flower, lotus, national bird, peacock, national tree, banyan tree, and national animal, tiger. Children, today we will do sounds of E. Which sound? Sounds of E. Let's start. This is 8 words. E-T, 8. N-E-T, net. J-E-T, jet. P-E-T, pet. Net, jet, pet. Net, jet, pet. This is 8 words. This is egg words. K-E-G, keg. L-E-G, leg. E-G-G, egg. Keg, leg, egg. Keg, leg, egg. This is egg words. Keg, leg, egg. Now the next one is N words. E-N-N. P-E-N, pen. D-E-N, den. H-E-N, hen. Pen, den, hen. Pen, den, hen. This is N words. P-E-N, pen. D-E-N, den. H-E-N, hen. This is 8 words. This is egg words. And this is N words. Net, jet, pet. Keg, leg, egg. Pen, den, hen. I will read for you one more time. Net, jet, pet. Keg, leg, egg. Pen, den, hen. Okay, children? Bye-bye. Now we'll meet in next class. Do the revision. Be safe. Take care. Bye-bye. Do the revision of hero of the month, color of the month, shape of the month, community helper, and theme space, solar system. Bye-bye. See you.